This is HP ZBook FireFly G9. Full price is about $2,000, which is crazy. I bought it for about 1/3 of that. Unfortunately, we have no specs over here. This particular one comes with i5 12th Gen, 16 GB of DDR5, 256 SSD, and NVIDIA Quadro T550. This is considered to be an entry-level creator laptop, which means it's for someone who does picture editing or some video editing. We have standard HP seal on both sides. Laptop here, charger over there. 65 watt USB-C charger. I wish it was more than 65 watt. After all, it has a dedicated video card with a 4 gig video RAM. Looks very nice though. Cloth braided cable. We get some manuals, papers, and a laptop in a plastic bag. Very conservative design. Reminds me a little bit of a EliteBook. Buttons are plastic, but high quality, nice on touch plastic. Easy to press, so these can be good for typing. The Pro Wolf fingerprint reader here. Very nice on touchpad. Overall, it feels very well built. Nothing's quick. You press everywhere. Feels very solid. No worse than EliteBook. I like the design more of this one. Feels normal, average. We have full-size keyboard here. Power button over here, near backspace, near print screen, near delete. Bang & Olufsen, good speakers. Good camera with a shutter. Says ZBook here. Big Z here. It's not light, it's pretty heavy. We have here Thunderbolt. This one looks like USB-C, but I think it's also Thunderbolt. USB-A, HDMI 2.1. The thickness is average, maybe even a little bit less than average. There is no RJ45 here. Otherwise would be thicker. Another USB-A. We have Kensington lock. We have something here, headphone input, and nothing on the back. It feels pretty heavy, I'll be honest with you. The heaviness reminds me of an Envy, but this one is definitely better built, even though Envy is pretty good. You can buy it in different specs. This one in particular has 16 gig of DDR5, which is good. I wouldn't go for 8, 16 is much better. i5 12th Gen might be a little bit not so fast, but it's fine. It's a laptop after all. And 256 gigabyte SSD is pretty small, so I would assume it's rather for picture editing. Video card, it's great to have a video card, and it's definitely not a gaming laptop, but you can also play video games with it. It has some basic video card for gaming, but it's more of a video card for picture and video editing. The build quality. The build quality is amazing. Like, if you take sometimes $2,000-3,000 gaming laptops from any brand, and you press anywhere and you see some plastic squeaking like this one, there is absolutely nothing. It feels even better than EliteBook. Feels better than pretty much anything, to be honest with you. If you like the design, if you find it on a sale, on a very good sale, you need to buy it, I think, like 30-40% of its original price for it to be a good purchase. The original price is just crazy, but they often go on sale, and you buy one like this, and it's a pretty good laptop. Besides, I'm pretty sure it will be very durable.